Hi there. We would like to take a couple of minutes of your time to introduce ourselves as we believe this would be of interest and relevance to your business. Infiniopus is a fintech company offering digital solutions on cloud or on-premise to wealth and asset management companies and financial and insurance intermediaries. We create and deliver cost-effective, cutting-edge technology solutions for automatic data capture and transformation, workflow and process automation, data visualization, customer engagement, and agency management. Our solution has capability to accurately harvest portfolio, trade, and other information from various sources, including from APIs and PDF account statements, and on a quasi-real-time basis. Our products and solutions. First, Conjurer. Problem and opportunity. Financial intermediaries such as brokers and asset managers, including family offices and private banks, use a combination of technical tools and manual methods to aggregate the client portfolios for framing appropriate advisory solutions and for periodic portfolio performance reporting to the clients. Often, these services are outsourced to low-cost countries given labor-intensive nature, which brings its own challenges, such as these are prone to regulatory issues such as client data exposure, they are considerably slow, highly cost-intensive, and they have limited capability or scalability. Our solution, Conjurer, is an intelligent data harvesting and standardization solution that provides real-time insight into the client portfolio aggregated from multiple sources across the world using a secure and proven technology. This is done in a safe, secure, and scalable manner, thus increasing the data efficiency multifold while addressing regulatory concerns. This has flexible architecture. It can work with any legacy system of the client. This product has been used by certain clients already and has shown huge efficiency and accuracy. There are more trials in pipeline. Our next product is Octr. Problem or opportunity. Legacy systems used by the enterprises are inadequate to address the complex businesses and regulatory compliance needs of insurance industry. Remaining truly relevant in the new digitized ecosystem requires financial intermediaries and advisors to reinvent themselves to prepare for the future, which is digitally sophisticated and focuses more on strategic risk advice and delivering the transparency and control. Enter Octr. Octr is an advanced agency management solution that optimizes the workflow to remove inefficiencies from the operational processes and take a customer-centric approach across the organization. It automates the process to minimize operational risks, reduce overheads, and improve the information flow among the stakeholders within and outside the organization. It acts as a tool to identify business opportunities and convert the leads into business. It also assists in compliance and risk management, which is a requirement of the industry. Our solutions have edge over competition as they promise data security and confidentiality, significant cost advantage over conventional methods. There are options to deploy the solution on cloud or on-premise, and these are highly customizable by the customers with the help from the Infiniopus team. Solutions combine features of both customer relationship management, their CRM, and a back office system. There are only a handful of providers who have developed a reliable and efficient capability to achieve our goals. We are quite happy to meet you in person or online to provide you a demonstration of our solutions and engage in a conversation to see how we can make a difference to your business. Thank you very much.